OpenClaw is absolutely killing it right now. Almost 200k stars on GitHub. The creator Peter Steinberger was just on the Lex Fridman podcast. Posts about OpenClaw on X are getting millions of views, and businesses built around OpenClaw are already making thousands of dollars. So what is happening? Why is OpenClaw this popular? And more importantly, is it going to stay this way? First thing is that it is fully open source and free, meaning you can come here to openclaw.ai, just run this curl command inside of your terminal and you're good to go. You put in your API keys, you set up your agents wherever you want. It is so flexible. You can put it on Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram, wherever you prefer, and basically automate your life. And people are showing so much love for OpenClaw. Check out their GitHub repo. 191k stars in for 1 month, 2 months old project. That is really crazy. And check out this graph right here. We can see here OpenClaw with this straight up line. Like, I've never seen anything like this in my life. I'm in open source for so long, but this is really crazy. Check out Linux here from 2012, going just like a curve, is going little by little going up, but OpenClaw doesn't care about it. It's just going straight up, and I think it's going to get like past everything here, even past React. This is really crazy. I've never seen anything like this before. And why is it so special? That's because OpenClaw actually does things. Most AI tools are just chatbots. You ask and they answer. But OpenClaw is different. It's an actual autonomous agent. It has persistent memory. We can see it even here. It can run 24/7 on your machine, run background tasks, cron jobs, whatever you can imagine. It can even write its own plugins. I have agents for pretty much everything right now. On my Discord, for example, I have my main development team and I work everything on all of my projects from this Discord group, and I'm talking to them, meaning I'm using voice to text. That's definitely the easiest way to do the prompting right now. And on Telegram, I have my finances agent. That agent is checking my emails, taking all the invoices and organizing them in a structure so I can send it to my bookie every 3 months. Then I have health agent. I can send my pics of my food and calculate all the calorie intake of proteins, carbohydrates, etc. And I have a content creation agent helping me out with my videos. And basically, after creating that many agents, I created this agentpacks.ai where I'm basically selling those agents. And this entire landing page that you can see here, and together with all the payments and everything and the portal and downloads and everything that you can see here, I created through this Discord group right here with my main engineer OrcBot, with OgreBot, with this Goblin bot, and everyone here were involved in building this project of mine. You have the link below, you can check it out if you like. Here's what I think is the real reason why OpenClaw is blowing up. Everything else in AI right now is closed. You have subscriptions and your data goes who knows where. OpenClaw, no subscription. You can use any model you want. Claude, GPT, Gemini, whatever. You can put it on any hardware like a Mac Mini, Raspberry Pi, whatever machine you want. And the most important thing, your data stays yours. The community builds skills that make it better every day. And if you're a developer who is tired of paying AI SaaS wrappers, this is really a no-brainer. And is this hype going to last? Honestly, with this growth and with this community behind it, I think we are just getting started.